Hi guys, this is Coredy, the robot vacuum cleaner with remote control. You can control with remote control, or you can press auto, automatically will clean your room, or you can control it, go left, right, up, down, and if you want to put in circle, go circle, and timer, you can put on timer. Every day will clean by itself at the same time. This is a home. Once is done cleaning, if you press home, will come back to the charger automatically. You don't need to touch or anything. So let's see how it works. So there's a switch underneath. I'm turning off from the charge. This is a purple, meaning it's charging. Once it's blue, its charge is done. So I'm just trying. Turn this off, charger off, and there's a switch. Turn the switch on. So switch is on. So switch already on. So let's press auto. Let's see what does it do. There you go. Start doing cleaning. Let's see. And make sure you keep the charger on, otherwise it's not gonna come back to its charge. So keep charger on, and it is doing automatically. I'm not touching anything. Let's see how it works in automatic mode. This is automatic mode, doing automatically, or you can control with remote. You can control with remote. Trying to clean the whole room. Now we're going to press home button. Let's see if it goes to home or not. Press home button, and we'll find that there's a charger. Will come in the charger by itself. Let's see, it's going by itself or not. Can find this charger. Going to the charge. It's going by itself.
I didn't. Yes, see?
Yeah, son. Thank you for watching.